Hello, grade 12 students, and welcome to a new Technical English 3 lesson. Today we will study Unit 7 Reports, Lesson 1 Statements, Part 1. Coursebook page 52, Workbook page 34. So, please open your books and let's start our lesson. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify security systems in 4 photos, locate specific information after reading a text to answer 4 questions correctly, change reported sentences into direct sentences. In today's starter, you have to look at the picture in front of you and read the words and then tell where can you see or hear the words in front of you. Let's study them carefully together. This picture: departure, arrival, terminal 1, terminal 2, gates from gate 1 to gate 6, baggage hold, baggage claim, passport control, WC. Now, your turn. What is the place where you can see and read these words? Great. At the airport. Before we start our lesson, let's study some vocabulary to help you understand the lesson better. So please try to guess the meanings in the next few slides. The first word is the word procedure. Look at the picture to help you guess the meaning. Do you know the meaning of procedure? Now let's have a look at the meaning of procedure. A set of actions that is the official or accepted way of doing something. Let's move to the next word, inspector. Inspector is a senior police officer. Disguised, having an appearance that hides the true form. Checkpoint, a place where people or vehicles are stopped and examined by an official. Attach, to fasten, join, or connect something. Underneath, under or below. Instruct, to instruct someone means to order or tell someone to do something specially in a formal way. Surgery, the treatment of injuries or diseases by cutting open the body and removing or repairing the damaged part, or an operation of this type. Metal plate, a flat piece of metal that is hard and doesn't bend. The last word is concourse. It's a large space or room in a public building, such as an airport or train station, which people gather in or pass through. Now please open your coursebook page 52, exercise 1, start here. Look at the photos and all you have to do is to match the photos A to D with the items in the box. First, let me give you the chance to listen to the words in the box. Then you have to match them with the pictures. Let's listen.
Unit 7. Reports. Recording 20. Handheld metal detector. HHMD. Baggage X-ray machine. Walk-through metal detector. WTMD. CCTV camera.
Now please take your time to match the words with the photos, and when you finish, play the video again to check your answers. Welcome again. Now let's check your answers. Let's have a look at the first photo. What is the first photo? Welcome back. Now let's check your answers. What is the item used in the first picture? Great. Walk-through metal detector, WTMD. Let's move to the next one. Baggage X-ray machine. Number 3, CCTV camera. Number 4, handheld metal detector, HHMD. Now let's move to exercise 2, reading. All you have to do is to read the newspaper article and answer the questions below. You will read the newspaper article while listening to it. I want you to follow with your eyes. Then we will answer the questions together. Let's listen to the reading.
The National Airport's security procedures failed an important test last month when a security inspector carried out a surprise security check disguised as a passenger. The passenger managed to pass through the security checkpoint carrying a knife, according to sources in the investigation team who spoke to the Mail yesterday. The source explained that before arriving at the airport, the passenger had attached a knife to his lower leg underneath his trousers. At the security checkpoint, he passed once through the walk-through metal detector. When the detector beeped, the security official instructed the passenger to stand aside and told him to raise his arms for a manual search. But the passenger ignored the instruction and told the official that he had recently had surgery on his jaw. He explained that the surgeon had put a metal plate inside his jaw, which made the metal detector beep. Although the official was trained to search everyone after an alarm from the detector, he told the passenger that he could go. The passenger then walked quickly away from the security checkpoint into the concourse. The official's supervisor saw this incident and immediately followed the passenger into the waiting area, where he ordered him to stop. Then the passenger informed the supervisor that he was a security inspector. The National
Now, let's read the questions together. Who broke the security procedures? The official and or his supervisor. What sound did the detector give? Why is the word passenger in italics in line 7? What does this incident line 39 refer to? Let's answer them one by one. Who broke the security procedures? The official and or his supervisor. What do you think? Great. The security official. Number 2. What sound did the detector give? A beep or a beeping sound. Question number 3. Why is the word passenger in italics in line 7? Because he was not really a passenger, but he pretended to be one. Question number 4. What does this incident in line 39 refer to? All the events in the preceding paragraphs after the beeping of the metal detector, for example, the security official letting the passenger through the security checks. Now let's move to exercise 3. In this exercise, you have to suggest the exact words spoken by the people in each incident, and let's study an example. Let's read the first sentence. The security official instructed the passenger to stand aside. This is not what actually said by the two people in the picture or in the situation. What did the official said actually to the passenger? He might say to him, "Stand aside, please," or "Would you mind standing aside, please?" Now you have to imagine the situation and to write the exact words said by the people in each incident. Take your time to do the activity, and when you finish, please play the video again to check your answers. Welcome back. Now let's check your answers. The first one, the security official instructed the passenger to stand aside. Stand aside, please, or "Would you mind standing aside, please?" Number 2, Anne told him to raise his arms for a manual search. Please raise your arms for a manual search. Good. 3, the passenger told the official that he had recently had surgery on his jaw. What do you think? Good. I have recently had surgery on my jaw. He explained that the surgeon had put a metal plate inside his jaw, which made the metal detector beep. The surgeon put a metal plate inside my jaw, which made the metal detector beep. He told the passenger that he could go. You can go. He ordered him to stop. Stop. 7. The passenger informed the supervisor that he was a security inspector. I am a security inspector. Great, my dear students. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching. Till we meet again, goodbye.